Hello everyone, myself Varshita KH. I am from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. In the subject Enterprise Resource and Planning, I am going to explain about human resource. For every business, there is a multiple key to success. One of the most important is your staff. If you manage your employee in a right way and offer them information and systems they need to do their jobs, you could see business running smoothly and profits are on the rise. This is often easier said than done, though as it can be real challenge to effectively manage employees. That's where enterprise resource planning or more specifically human resource modules can help. Now let us know about what is human resource. Enterprise resource planning is suite of integrated business software application that allow companies to track and manage data and even automate some business function including human resource. Human resource module in particular are used to track different people related function such as planning, payroll, administration, development, hiring and more. Business services like standard operating procedures, job postings, news, forums, tracking of work hours and benefits etc. can all be unified into one module which make overall management and decision making easier. Next, let us know about benefits of using HR module. Businesses that have integrated ERP and more specifically HR modules have been able to benefit into a number of ways. There are 5 ways. First one, enhanced sharing of information and collaboration. Because HR is central function of any business, data related to HR needs to eventually be shared with other teams or departments. Without ERP, this likely means you will need to ask different people to share their data and then compile it into usable format. With ERP for HR, data is stored in a central location or brought together to a central location. Which means the data from different sources can be shared faster and easier. This allow ensures that right data is shared, thus enhancing overall outcomes and making it simplified for other teams to work together. Next one, management gains a clearer picture of HR. It can be tough to gain short term picture of your employee resources, especially when it comes to identifying potential resource shortfalls. That is double booking holidays, employee who are constantly late, etc., and where improvements can be made. For example, in most modules, you can track overtime hour of employees and receive alerts when overtime is past a certain threshold. If you spot that one department is consistently banking extended overtime hours, you can move quickly to address this. Next one, data is kept up to date. HR system usually evolve data from various locations. This means that there is a always chance for duplicate and incorrect information. A healthcare ERP module can help ensure that data is not only correct but also not duplicated, which can be turned speed up decision making and enable better decisions to be made. Next one, reduce licensing expenses. Without ERP, your HR team could need 5 or more systems in order to keep track of everything. Each of these systems will need to license, which can often be serious investment on your behalf. Not to mention the cost of setting up and maintaining these systems. Because HR ERP module offer integrated solution, you pay for one license to cover all your needs. This reduces overall expenses while also making it easier to budget and maintain. Next one, automated process that free up management. A large function of HR, as with many other business processes, is data entry and reporting. If you are trying to develop reports without an integrated ERP system, you probably need to pull data from numerous sources, which takes time. This is time that probably be better spent on more relevant tasks. An ERP module data once set up will be more accessible. This simultaneously makes it easier to enter and pull data together into reports. And because large of daily tasks can automated, you can ensure that what you need to complete as actually achieved. Next, Let us know about submodules of HR in HR module. It includes organizational management, e-recruitment, time management, personal management, payroll, and reporting. Let us know one by one. First one, personal administration. It manages many individual pieces of information. This information is stored, updated, and managed for each employee to manage personal data related to tasks you need it. Organizational management. It helps with personal planning and application development. It enables analyzing the complete organizational structure. This allows planning and developing personal summaries. Next, third one, payroll. It manages the payroll of employee in the organization. Payroll can be integrated with other module like accounting and time management. It consists of payments of each employee and deduction made. In the transaction of payroll module, the user is used allowed enter a daily attendance data of all the employee of the company on the payroll. A user can mark the entire employee data as present or absent. Also, if the operator of the company has done any overtime, then the user of the software can enter the data relating to operator's overtime. Next one, time management. It enables functionality to record attendance and absence of employee. It also helps in evaluation of attendance, absences, overtime, bonus, wages. Next one, e-recruitment. Submodule of hiring both internal employees and external candidates that includes access to talents regardless of geography. Reporting. It provides report of individual employee and consolidation report across department and demographic. This is all about human resources, benefits of using HR module and submodules of ERP. Thank you.